Welcome to the brand new episode of Tech Talk, and I'm William Omoroke, your host. And in this episode, we'll be reviewing the 2023 Bentley Continental and McLaren's newest model added to their lineup, the Artura. I really hope that you're looking forward to it. It's two contrasting automobile manufacturers, but however, they're still doing their magic. Both of them have different marketing strategies. They both have different target audience, I guess, but quite interesting as they introduce us to their 2023 GT models. So let's just do less of the talk and more of the driving. So Bentley, on its all-time selling model, the Continental, has added what they identify as the S-trim. It comes refreshed with a new color trim design. The S-trim model is unique by the aggressive exterior appearance, new exhaust system, unique wheel designs, and S-trim badges on the seats as well as on the dash veneer panels. Though it was said that the S-trim will be available only with the V8 engine. Bentley this year also still offers a variety of engine options which do not differ from the 2022 model, starting off with the 4-liter V8 engine producing 542 horsepower, launching this 4,926 pound beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds. Also the 6-liter W12 in the non-speed models, which accelerates the coupe from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. However, the same engine has been modified in the speed version, enabling it to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Both the engines are operated with the 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. All models come with all-wheel drive as standard, thus making it have an unrivaled performance on the road. Getting into fuel economy specs, the EPA rate of the Continental GT was set to be 26 miles per gallon on the highway and 26 miles per gallon in the city. The interior, as you all expect, it is crafted from using delicate handmade materials. It is articulated by the veneers, treated leather seats with double stitching. Bentley always puts their heart and soul on their craft. This is evident by the milled knobs. Even the non-conspicuous details are crafted with care. Everything with the Bentley is customizable for a good price, of course. Some gave an impression that it is not pleasant for adults to occupy the rear seats due to its space capacity. During tests, the Continental GT managed to fit in 5 carry-on suitcases. For infotainment and connectivity, available is a 12.3 for touch display, which is part of one of the 3-sided integrated instrument. Another panel consists of 3 gauges that displays the exterior temperature, compass, and a clock, so no excuse to lose track of time. And the other panel is plain and simply matches with the rest of the dash panel. Bentley comes with the following features as optional: night vision, adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. This perhaps is unjust. I mean, for that price that one is going to pay, such features should come as standard. Speaking of prices, the coupe comes at a price of $210,000, the S coupe $225,000, the convertible $230,000, the S convertible $245,000, the speed coupe $285,000, and the last, the speed convertible, which comes at a price tag of $310,000. Bear in mind that the prices differ per region due to different rates of taxes and so forth. And we are wrapping it up with the Mclaren Artura. This McLaren's hybrid supercar. The novelty behind this vehicle is the MCLA, which is McLaren's new carbon fiber lightweight architecture. The Artura runs on a hybrid twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces 671 worth of horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. This enables it to do 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3 seconds. The gas engine is supplemented by an e-motor that is located within the housing of the 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, comprising a 7.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. Solely with this electric drive system, the Artura can travel up to 11 miles. Fuel economy, we're looking at 17 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway, but with the electric drive system factored in, it can do 39 miles per gallon E. So my impression and design of the Artura, it is an integration of the 720S and the GT. The design of it, however, is amazing. It carries a lot of McLaren's design DNA. The impressive ducts by the door and the air intakes were efficiently sculpted to increase the flow rate of air, thus improving the aerodynamics. For maximum stability, the rear spoiler and the diffuser generate 50 kgs worth of downforce. The interior is of course minimalistic like its siblings. It is dressed up in a combination of suede and leather. It comes with power adjustable seats. Luggage space is only 6 cubic feet, generous. For infotainment and connectivity, the Artura consists of a vertically oriented 8-inch touch display with customary features. That includes Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius satellite radio, and a selection of audio equipment. So to keep your car lightweight, you would then want to opt for a stereo with fewer speakers. Some of its safety key features are adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and road sign recognition. Price tag of the Artura, $237,500. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for making it this far. You really gave me a purpose. Thank you so much, and just stay tuned, stay alert as I bring you more and more content. And please make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here only on Auto Tech Talk. Cheers.